In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to fix keyboard glitch on Roblox Mobile. To fix keyboard glitch on Roblox Mobile, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So to fix it, you could try a couple of different steps, such as restarting your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitch. So hold on to your side buttons, and then you could find this restart option. You could do it and see whether that fixes your issue or not. If you're still having issue, then what you could also do is you could also try checking keyboard settings. For that, you want to go to your device's settings. You want to go to system, and here you want to simply go to language and inputs. You could go to the keyboard section, and here you could go and make sure to change some of those settings and see that works or not. If the issue still persists on, you could also try clearing your app cache. For that, you want to actually exit out of this page. Long press to your Roblox application, go to the app info section, and here you want to go to storage and cache. Click on clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data, so just leave it as it is. And now you try updating your application as well. For the update, you want to go to your Play Store. On the search box, type in Roblox and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. So these are some of the steps you could follow in order to fix keyboard glitch on Roblox Mobile. Despite of doing all of these procedures, if nothing seems to be working out, you could try uninstalling the application and then restarting your device at the same time. That could be an essential way to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.